טוב, משפחת רמון היקרה, dear Ramon family, Mr. Gadi Arieli, Director General of the Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology, Professor Dan Bloomberg, Chair of Israel Space Agency, and your predecessor, Professor Ben Israel, Shalom Itzik, Mr. Uri Oron, Director of the Israel Space Agency, dear heads of space agencies, ambassadors, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. It is my great honor to welcome you all to the 19th annual Ilan Ramon International Space Conference held by the Israel Space Agency in the Ministry of Innovation, Science and Technology. Well, this year we are gathering in a totally different atmosphere than previous years. I'm sure some of you have visited the awful sights and seen the horror videos of the barbaric attack on Israel by Hamas ISIS in October 7th. We saw the devil on earth. Well, Israel is fighting the war, but make no mistakes, this war is not only ours. We are only the first front of much larger global war between the democratic free world and the axis of evil led by Iran. The free world will win only if we stand strongly together, united as one. And with your permission, I want to use this opportunity to call on you and your governments to pressure Hamas to release our hostages. Children, women, youngsters, Holocaust survivors, and babies. They are being held in Gaza's terror tunnels, and their lives, as you know, are in real danger. My friends, despite this tragedy, Israel is a strong country, let alone technology and economically speaking. At this time, while we are here dealing with cruel enemies, the Israel Space Week events will focus on the challenges in the tech industry, including the space sector. The high demand for participating in this international conference and the various space events open to the public are a living evidence to the victory of the Israeli spirit. The same spirit which is constantly creating and seeks the next breakthrough. We anticipate that the demand and investment in the Israeli space sector will increase dramatically in the upcoming short time, especially with the Israeli win in the war. We have no intention to stop. We will not stop for a minute the activity, research, and industry of Israel's space tech and innovation sector. Well, it has been 21 years since the Columbia Space Shuttle disaster, where we lost the first Israeli astronaut, Lieutenant Colonel Ilan Ramon, rest in peace, and the entire shuttle crew. Ilan and Rona, rest in peace, they taught us that the sky is not the limit. Our highly developed, innovative, and technological sector is the engine that motivates our economy forward. And I want you to know, head of agencies, ambassadors, dear guests, the cabinet just approved a support budget up to 1 billion shekels for the high-tech through the Israel Innovation Authority. This act is a serious boost for the markets and the sector, including, as we talked, Uri, and you remember, the space industry. And the ministry, under my leadership, will continue to implement and create more bilateral and multilateral space agreements with other countries. We always seek to cooperate. Despite the challenging times ahead of us, we will emerge stronger and wiser. We have prevailed over enormous challenges so far, internal and external, and we will succeed this time as well. As the President has just said, we are standing together and building the future. In every complex situation, there is opportunity to be found. Thank you for coming this morning. God bless you. God bless our brave soldiers. And remember, the good always prevail the evil. Thank you very much.